Boom! The market has just exploded. What we're witnessing today, June 16th, 2025, is unlike anything we've seen before. The financial world is buzzing. It's a revolution, a complete paradigm shift. The AI gold rush. Everyone is trying to stake their claim. This isn't just another tech trend. It's not a fleeting fad. It's a seismic shift, a fundamental change in the landscape, bigger and faster than the internet boom. The adoption rate is unprecedented. Investors everywhere are piling in, eager to get a piece of the action. Pension funds are reallocating their portfolios. Hedge funds are making massive bets on AI. Even your cousin with a trading app is getting in on the game. Everyone wants a slice of the AI pie. AI is here now. It's not some distant future technology, and it's minting millionaires. Fortunes are being made overnight. The market is in a frenzy. It's a bull market on steroids. Companies are rewiring everything around AI, from their core infrastructure to their customer-facing applications. Better products, more efficient services, smarter supply chains, optimized for speed and efficiency. Deeper customer insights, allowing businesses to understand their customers better than ever before. The productivity gains are staggering across every sector of the economy, and profits are rolling in. The numbers speak for themselves. This is real, not hype. These are tangible results, not just empty promises. The AI revolution is the biggest economic event of our lifetime, a true game changer. And it's just getting started. We're only in the early innings of this AI boom. You have a choice, a critical decision to make. Watch from the sidelines and potentially miss out on the greatest wealth creation opportunity in history, or join the parade and ride the wave of AI innovation. This is the time for conviction. Now is the moment to act decisively. The AI boom is creating a new class of kings and queens in the tech world, and their stocks are soaring. They're reaching for the stars. Don't be the one who says, "I should have listened," years from now, filled with regret. The opportunity is pounding on your door. Are you going to answer? Hold on to your hats! Today, NVIDIA, Microsoft, and Alphabet have obliterated their all-time highs. This isn't a blip. It's the market screaming that the AI age has arrived. NVIDIA's chips are in insatiable demand. Microsoft has woven AI into everything, and Alphabet is finally monetizing its AI power. These three are the holy trinity of AI. NVIDIA builds the hardware, Microsoft the platforms, Alphabet the data and research. When all three hit records together, it's a confirmation of the entire AI thesis. Trillions in market cap are being forged in the fires of AI innovation. These aren't speculative plays. These are the world's best companies showing us the future. The smart money is all in on AI. If you're not on this train, you're standing on the tracks. The message is clear: get on board or get left behind. What's fueling this incredible rocket ride we're witnessing in the market? What's propelling these companies and the overall economy to new heights? It's a question on everyone's mind as we see unprecedented growth and innovation. It's a three-headed monster, a powerful, synergistic force driving this boom. These aren't your typical corporate giants, they're architects of a new era. The first head, rapid AI adoption. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It's the present, and its integration is happening at an astonishing pace. The second head is explosive enterprise software growth. Businesses are clamoring for sophisticated software solutions to leverage the power of AI and stay competitive. And the third, insatiable cloud demand. All this AI and software needs a place to live, to compute, to scale, and that place is the cloud. AI is being integrated everywhere, from customer service chatbots to complex data analysis tools. It's permeating every aspect of business. Companies know it's survival, not a choice. Adapting to AI isn't optional anymore. It's a necessity for staying relevant and competitive in today's rapidly evolving landscape. Microsoft's Copilot is turning software into intelligence, augmenting human capabilities and unlocking new levels of productivity. This is creating massive new revenue streams, not just for Microsoft, but for countless businesses leveraging these AI-powered tools. Businesses are paying up for tools. They're investing heavily in software and AI solutions. They want tools that make them smarter and faster, that give them a competitive edge in an increasingly complex world. The third head? Cloud infrastructure. It's the backbone that supports this entire revolution. AI models need huge computing power, far beyond what most individual businesses can provide. And that lives in the cloud, in massive data centers around the world. AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. These giants are racing to build more data centers, investing billions in expanding their infrastructure. These data centers are packed with NVIDIA chips, the workhorses of AI computing. They're renting capacity to thousands of companies, providing access to cutting-edge AI infrastructure. It's a virtuous cycle, a self-reinforcing loop of growth and innovation. AI adoption drives software demand as businesses seek to integrate AI into their operations, which drives cloud demand, as all that software and AI needs a place to run, which drives chip demand, as cloud providers need more and more powerful chips to power their data centers. Each piece feeds the other, creating a symbiotic relationship that fuels exponential growth. This creates unstoppable growth. It's a powerful force that's reshaping the business world. This isn't luck. This isn't some fleeting trend. It's a brilliantly designed system, a carefully orchestrated strategy that's paying off in a big way. And these three companies are collecting a toll at every step, profiting from every stage of this explosive growth. The engine is running, and it's running at full speed, and it's nearly impossible to stop. The momentum is so strong that it's difficult to imagine anything slowing it down. The three-headed monster is devouring the old way of business, disrupting traditional industries, and creating new opportunities. And it's just getting started. The potential for further growth and innovation is immense. Don't just take my word for it. Wall Street's top minds are pounding the table on these AI leaders. Analysts see the numbers, the growth, and the scale of this transformation. Dan Ives calls this a 1995 moment, the dawn of a multi-trillion-dollar opportunity. Their bullishness is backed by data cloud growth, AI chip sales, and a massive addressable market. Price targets are rising, ratings are strong buy, and every pullback is seen as a gift. These aren't just participants. They're the architects of the AI boom. NVIDIA, Microsoft, and Alphabet are the kings of this oligarchy. The risk isn't being in these stocks. It's being on the sidelines. In a gold rush, own the picks and shovels and the best minds. The experts are unanimous. The AI leaders' journey has only just begun. Let's get personal. Why are these three dominating the AI landscape? What makes them the titans of this technological revolution? We're not just talking about market share, we're talking about shaping the very future of how we interact with technology. NVIDIA, under the visionary leadership of Jensen Huang, didn't just build chips, they built the engine for the AI revolution. They foresaw the potential of parallel processing for AI long before others, positioning themselves perfectly for this moment. Their CUDA architecture isn't just a piece of technology, it's the industry standard, the bedrock upon which almost all AI development is built. It's the language that AI speaks, and it's not an exaggeration to say that every major AI model, from the smallest to the most complex, runs on their chips. They are the gatekeepers of AI processing power. Microsoft, once a software giant of the past, has been reborn under the guidance of Satya Nadella, transforming into an AI powerhouse. They didn't just adapt, they embraced the future. Their strategic OpenAI partnership and seamless Azure integration are game changers. They've essentially democratized access to cutting-edge AI. They've put AI directly in every business's hands, regardless of size or technical expertise. This is about empowering businesses to innovate and compete in the AI era. It's the smartest monetization of generative AI we've seen yet. They're not just selling AI, they're selling the tools to build with it, a veritable goldmine, and they're just beginning to tap into its vast potential. Alphabet, often perceived as the quiet giant, possesses arguably the best AI engineers in the world and access to the most comprehensive datasets imaginable. Their Gemini models are rapidly evolving and are already deeply integrated, powering search, YouTube, and a multitude of other services. From cloud to Android, Alphabet's AI is becoming increasingly pervasive, and the monetization engine is just revving up, hinting at the immense financial potential that lies ahead. Together, these three form the essential pillars of the AI economy, the foundation upon which everything else is being built. NVIDIA provides the raw processing power, the computational muscle that makes AI possible. Microsoft offers the platform, the infrastructure that allows businesses to deploy and scale AI solutions. And Alphabet provides the intelligence, the algorithms and data that drive AI innovation. Their ecosystem is deeply symbiotic. They rely on each other's strengths to thrive. Each one's success directly fuels the others, creating a powerful and self-reinforcing cycle of growth. They possess the technology, the capital, the talent, and the dominant market position necessary to effectively fend off any potential challengers. Therefore, investing in them isn't just a bet on individual companies. It's a strategic investment in the entire AI-powered future. And right now, given their collective dominance and future potential, that's arguably the safest and most promising bet you can make in the world of technology. These are the essential pillars upon which the AI revolution is being built. And owning a piece of them is, in essence, owning a piece of the future itself. Let's talk numbers because the numbers don't lie. NVIDIA's earnings off the charts. Demand for their chips is so high they can charge what they want. Microsoft's Azure is booming, driven by AI workloads. Copilot subscriptions are exceeding expectations, high-margin recurring revenue. Alphabet's search is supercharged by AI, and Google Cloud is finally profitable and gaining share. Wall Street expects this momentum to continue. Double-digit growth, expanding margins. Analyst projections are a sea of green. Price targets and earnings estimates keep rising. This isn't wishful thinking. It's order backlogs, subscriptions, and cloud consumption. The financial results validate the AI narrative. This rally is built on solid rock, not sand. The profit tsunami is real, and it's just beginning. This isn't just about 3 companies, it's the birth of an entire economic sector. The AI momentum is spreading, creating a ripple effect across the economy. Demand for AI chips is lifting the entire semiconductor ecosystem: memory, networking, and more. Generative AI is exploding at the application layer. Startups and software giants are building specialized tools for every industry. AI is transforming manufacturing, finance, and healthcare, optimizing supply chains, managing portfolios, accelerating drug discovery. This isn't just about profits, it's about fundamentally improving the world. AI is a general-purpose technology, like electricity or the internet, touching every part of the economy. Every new breakthrough adds another layer of growth and stability. AI is becoming so embedded, it's hard to imagine a future without it. The sector-wide momentum is strong and resilient. This is bigger than any one company. The AI wave is lifting all boats. Let's address the elephant in the room: bubble fears. Every time stocks soar, bears cry, .com bust. But this is different. Back then, it was speculation. Now, it's profits. NVIDIA, Microsoft, and Alphabet are cash machines. They have fortress balance sheets, buybacks, and dividends. Valuations seem high, but we're at the dawn of a new industrial revolution. Future earnings potential is astronomical. There will be volatility and pullbacks. That's healthy. A bubble is when prices detach from fundamentals. Here, earnings are rising even faster than prices. This is a durable bull market, not a fragile bubble. The AI story will play out over the next decade and beyond. We're in the early innings, the main course is still to come. This is the foundation of future economic growth. The leaders of this revolution will become the most valuable companies ever. Bottom line, is it too late to invest? Absolutely not. We're at the start of a multi-year supercycle. The idea you've missed the boat is just fear. The key isn't timing the market, it's getting in the game. Do your homework, build conviction, and start building a position. Scale in over time. Buy on pullbacks. They're opportunities, not reasons to panic. Think long-term. Be an investor, not a trader. The AI revolution is a decade-long story. Wealth will accrue to those with patience and discipline. Own these names, let them work for you, and build your wealth. Don't get left behind. The AI boom is real, powerful, and just getting started. The leaders are clear, their earnings spectacular, and their future bright. Now is the time for action. Do your research, build your plan, and get in the game. Keep watching Investicore for the insights you need. Booyah!